Hey, have you ever finished a YouTube video and thought to yourself, I wish I could turn this into a blog post? Well, creating a video, it takes a lot of effort, right? You have scripting, recording, editing, but most creators only use that content once. What if you could take a single YouTube video and turn it into a structured, editable article without watching the whole thing again and taking notes from scratch? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using YouMind. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so here I am on YouTube and I've got this video that I want to turn into a written article, and it's about AI tools and productivity, which is something that I think my audience would care about as a blog post. Now, normally what you would have to do is you would have to watch this video, pause it, take notes, go back, watch some more of the video, and then try to write something from scratch. We've all been there. We've all done that, right? And that's a lot of work, as you know. But instead, I am going to use the YouMind browser extension to do this in a fraction of the time, okay? So here I am on the YouTube video that I want to use right now. And then up here, I already have the extension installed. You can install it from the website. All we have to do is click on the extension. It's going to drop down. Then all we have to do is click on save. And just like that, we have it saved. Now, what YouMind did right here is it's actually pretty cool. It automatically grabs the video, the full transcript, and any annotations, and it saves them all inside of my board, inside of my YouMind workspace. So instead of copying a link into some random notes app, which we've all done that as well, everything is organized in one place. So now we're going to jump back inside of my YouMind workspace here. I went ahead and I refreshed it, and you can see here in my recent, we have the YouTube video that I saved. So now I just click on that, and that's going to open up that YouTube video inside of my workspace. And as you can see, YouMind already pulled in that transcript for me, which is great because now I can read through this at a much faster rate instead of watching it and pausing it and watching it and pausing it. Now, before I generate anything, what I want to do is I want to go through here and I want to highlight a few passages that stand out to me. Now, you'll notice underneath the video, it has automatic picks for you, and you can delete these if you don't want them. So I'm going to go ahead. I went ahead and I removed 2 of those, okay? And when I remove those, it starts playing the video on that point where I highlighted it. But on the right-hand side, let's go ahead and choose some highlights for ourselves. Now, I watched the video, and down here around the 10-minute mark is a highlight that I wanted to add. So we're going to go down here, and I think it was this one here. So if I tap on this, it's going to jump to that part in the video. And once we are at that part in that video, we can see the line here, which is like a timeline. We are going to click this option here to add a highlight. And it's going to add it over here on the left-hand side where we now have our picks and we have the auto picks as well. So we can go through here and let's say I wanted to add one more highlight. And let's say this part right here, I wanted to highlight this. So I click it once again. And as you can see on the left-hand side, it is now added as a highlight. And now we can close out of that up here. And these highlights, they are important because they tell YouMind what I actually care about, right? So when I generate this article later, YouMind will prioritize the insights that I selected instead of just summarizing the entire video from start to finish. And that's a big difference because I am in control of the focus of that article that is going to get generated. All right, so now I am ready to go ahead and create that article. And YouMind has these pre-built blog post templates so that I don't need to figure out the prompt from scratch or anything on my own. So let's go ahead and go back to the dashboard here. Then up here at the top left, we are going to click on New Task. And you can see we have Learn, Write, Image, Slides, and so forth. We're going to go with Write. Then we're going to click on this little plus button right here next to Write. We are going to add from YouMind. Then we are going to select that video that we were just working with here, okay? And once we have that selected, we can just go ahead and send it. And with that, YouMind is going to go through the passages that we just saved, the highlights that we made, and it's going to go ahead and write that article for us. So we'll just give this a moment to write that article, and then we'll take a look at it. All right, so it's finished now. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it came up with, okay? So we have a title, which AI tool to use and when, so that's pretty catchy. Let's see here. We have the introduction, which sets up the main idea of the article or what it's about. And if I scroll down here, we can see that it's already organized into different sections and subheadings that we have here. Now, it looks like each section does have a clear point. It seems to be going into, pretty good detail about each option and why it chose each option. It even has references down here at the bottom. And then we even have honorable mentions down here as well. So it's not just the transcript dumped onto the page pretending to be an article. It's an actual structured article like any real article that you would read. Now, the article is in good shape, but let's say that you want to tweak a few things. You absolutely can. And that's the great thing about YouMind is that this entire thing is fully editable, okay? It's a document. It's not a static output. It's not an image, okay? So I can change the title to something that fits my style better. Or I could even use AI to generate another title. And just like that, it gives me another option that we can go with. And I like this one better, so we can go with this. Then we go down a little bit further and we have the different paragraphs here. All I have to do is click inside and I can begin typing and making any changes that I want to these paragraphs. Maybe you want to make it more concise for a LinkedIn post or more conversational for a newsletter. I can do that right here. And if you don't feel like typing, we can go down here to the bottom right and we can open up the chat with AI option. And then we can simply say, make the introduction more concise and suitable for a LinkedIn post. And then we send it. All right. And then it generated this new introduction for us. And if we like this one, we're going to come over here and we are going to simply copy this. And then all we have to do is delete this one and paste in the new one. And that saves us a lot of time. And of course, we can format this however we like. And now my intro is tighter and it reads something like I'd actually post inside of my LinkedIn. And one more thing I want to mention is that YouMind can also learn from my previous writing. So over time, the output starts to reflect my personal style instead of sounding like a generic AI. So that's how you turn a YouTube video into a structured, editable article with YouMind. You save the video with the browser extension, then you highlight the parts that matter to you, and then you generate an article using the blog template, and then edit everything until it sounds like you. For creators, this means that one YouTube video can become a blog post, a newsletter, a LinkedIn article, or even a content brief for your team. You put in the effort to make the video once, and then YouMind helps you get more out of it. So give it a try and let me know what you think, and then I'll see you in the next video.